The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Lyman County. At 9:56 a.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southwest of 5 Mile Corner, or 15 miles southwest of Presho, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central Lyman County. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.